Hey, how's it going? So today let's discuss about the Chase Freedom Unlimited Travel Insurance. Several people have been asking me, Maverick, what does the Chase Freedom, Unlimited Travel Insurance covers? And that is why today I've decided to talk about this. Okay, so the Chase Freedom, Unlimited credit card is a card known to give a lot of cash backs, like up to 1.5% cash back for every $1 spent on all purchases, and your ability to also earn 5% cash back on travel purchases made through the Chase Travel SM, and 3% cash back on dining purchases, and at restaurants, and including takeouts and eligible delivery services and drugstores. Now, the Chase Freedom Unlimited offers some travel insurance benefits, okay, although they may be limited compared to premium travel credit cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve. And the specific coverage typically includes trip cancellation or interruption insurance, and also auto rental collision damage waiver and purchase protection. So trip cancellation or interruption insurance reimburses you for non-refundable travel expenses in case your trip is cancelled or interrupted due to covered reasons such as illness or severe weather or other unforeseen events. Okay, but however, from my own research also, I've been able to realize that the coverage may not extend to all types of travel expenses such as lodging costs. Okay, so the auto rental collision damage waiver provides coverage for damage due to collision or theft to rental cars when you pay for the renter with your Chase Freedom Unlimited card and declining rental company collision insurance. Okay, so additionally, purchase protection offers coverage against theft, okay, or damage for eligible item purchased with a card, so usually within a certain time frame from the date of purchase. So it is very important that you make sure that you review the terms and condition of the Chase Freedom Unlimited card for you to best understand the specific coverage limits, also the exclusion and requirements for making claims. So while these benefits can provide valuable protection, then they may not be as comprehensive as those offered by premium travel credit card. Okay, so that is just it. It doesn't mean that the card is very much, but there are still a lot of cards that are still better than this. Now let's talk about some merit and demerit about this Chase Freedom Unlimited Travel Insurance. Okay, so the first one that is the trip cancellation or interruption coverage. Okay, so these benefits provides peace of mind by reimbursing non-refundable travel expenses in case your trip is cancelled or interrupted due to covered reasons such as illness, severe weather, or other unforeseen circumstances. So it can help you to mitigate financial losses associated with canceling or cutting your short trip, okay, especially for expensive travel arrangements like flights and accommodation. Okay, also another one is the auto rental collision damage waiver. So the coverage protects you from having to purchase rental company's collision insurance by providing coverage for damage due to collision or theft to rental cars when you pay for the rental with your Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Also, this can help you to save money on expensive rental car insurance fees and potentially reduce the hassle of dealing with rental companies insurance claims. Okay, purchase protection is also another reason why this card is a good one, because the benefit offers added security for your purchase by covering eligible items against theft or damage for a certain period after the purchase date, and which is typically around 120 days. Okay, so it can be especially useful for expensive purchases such as electronics or jewelry, and providing reimbursement for repair or replacement costs if the item is damaged or stolen. Also, the fact that this has no annual fee is what I like, because the absence of an annual fee makes the Chase Freedom Unlimited card an attractive option for budget conscious travelers who still wants access to travel insurance benefits. Okay, so this allows you to enjoy protection of travel insurance without you incurring additional cost, and making it a cost-effective choice for occasional travelers. Okay, talking about the convenience also, because since the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is widely accepted, you can easily utilize its travel insurance benefits when booking travel arrangements online, over the phone, or even in person. Okay, so this convenience streamlines the process of accessing and utilizing travel insurance coverage, which saves you time and effort. Talking about streamlined claim process, Chase typically offers a straightforward process for filing and managing travel insurance claims, which can help expedite reimbursements for coverage expenses. So a user-friendly claim process reduces the administrative burden on card holders like you and others, and ensure the overall customer experience. Also, other additional benefits can include travel insurance, because the Chase Freedom Unlimited card may offer other perks such as cashback reward on purchases, further enhancing the value proposition for card holders. So these additional benefits can complement the travel insurance coverage and also provide added value for card holders in various spending categories. So those are the merits that I see about this kind of insurance coverage and also the credit card itself. Now let's talk about some demerits which I see about this credit card in the travel insurance coverage. Now the first one that I see, the first demerit is the limited coverage, because while the travel insurance coverage provided by Chase Freedom Unlimited is beneficial, it also has restriction and limitations compared to premium travel card. So certain type of travel expenses or events may not be covered under the policy, which potentially leaves gap in protection for travelers. Okay, another one is the exclusion, because the travel insurance policy may exclude coverage for specific situation or event such as pre-existing medical condition, adventure sport or act of terrorism. All right, so it's essential to review this policy terms and conditions carefully to understand what it is and isn't covered, to avoid surprises when filing a claim. Also, lower coverage limits, because I think I talked about these, the coverage limit for trip cancellation or interruption insurance and other benefits may be lower compared to premium travel cards, potentially limiting the amount of reimbursement available to card holders. So travelers with high value trips or extensive travel expenses may find the coverage limits insufficient, okay, to fully protect their investment. Also, talking about lack of comprehensive benefits, unlike premium travel cards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited may not offer comprehensive travel insurance benefits such as emergency medical coverage, trip delay reimbursement or lost baggage insurance. So travelers who prioritize comprehensive coverage may need to consider upgrading to a premium travel credit card with more extensive benefits. Okay, and also there is requirement to pay with card. So to activate the travel insurance benefit, you must pay for eligible expenses with your Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which may limit flexibility in payment method. So in case you prefer to use other payment method or existing travel credits or reward, you may not be able to leverage the card's travel insurance benefit effectively. And the fact that there is also pre-existing condition exclusion, okay, because the travel insurance policy may exclude coverage for pre-existing medical condition, which can be problematic for users with existing health issues. Okay, and it is very essential to understand the policy's pre-existing condition exclusion criteria and considering purchasing additional coverage if necessary, especially for travelers with medical condition. So those are the things that I see which are the demerits about this credit card and also the travel insurance coverage that it's offering. So whatever one that you're able to pick from this, I'm certain that you'll be able to make the best decision regarding this credit card. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in another video or some other video tutorials. Enjoy the rest of your day and I wish you safe traveling. Bye.